We're going to do some Winback therapy on a arthritic shoulder. And there's a really large bone spur on the inferior aspect of the humeral head of the ball of the socket. And we have the therapy going right through the shoulder. And we can penetrate into the deeper tissues to stimulate circulation. But what's really good is bring the arm up to the side for me, is now we can add motion at the same time. Let me bring this around here. Externally rotate your hand up. So as I'm doing the Winback therapy, rotate the hand down. The patient can go through a functional movement, rotate up. And we have one CET and one RET, rotate the hand down. Pads, so we're getting superficial heat and we're getting deep resistance. And when you get arthritic changes in the joints, drop the hand down. Good, now drop the elbow down. I'll get my hand out of the way. When you get arthritic situations in the joints that are chronic, you get tightness in the soft tissues and that are deep, and it creates like a grinding sensation where the joint goes like a rusty gate goes grr, 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 grr. And since we've been doing this Winback, that sensation, there's a little bit right there, has diminished significantly. So right there, yeah, you still get a little bit of that grinding, but range of motion's coming along real well. So sometimes we'll use our hands, but sometimes we'll use the therapy to go right through the joint, and we can get both the superficial and the deep at the same time. Frozen shoulders love this. Arthritic joints love it. Creates heat, creates increased metabolism, and essentially enables the body to heal on its own. So that's the Winback difference.
My experience has been amazing. I've had full range of motion back in my shoulder, which I haven't had in years. I recommend it highly.